Hi, welcome back to Mudpie Fridays. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a very simple recipe which is great for after the school run, but also on a wet and horrible Sunday afternoon like today, where the kids have been inside all day and are now going stir crazy, so I need to get something on the table as quickly as possible. It's also a great way of getting a little bit of extra veg in them because it includes courgette. So today I'm cooking spaghetti tomato pasta with these things. So these are Quorn Cocktail Sausages. They're great because they're high in protein and low in saturated fat. They're also just a very simple and easy way of adding something substantial to a normal pasta dish. So this is the recipe. So to make the recipe you will need tomato puree, some mushrooms, a couple of cloves of garlic, chopped tomatoes, 2 large courgettes for the courgette, a good sized red onion. We're using linguine pasta, but you could use spaghetti. And because there's 4 of us eating, we're going to have 2 packets of the Quorn Cocktail Sausages, as well as salt and pepper and a little bit of oil. First, finely dice an onion. Dice 4 to 5 reasonably sized mushrooms. Thinly slice a couple of garlic cloves. Add a splash of oil to the pan. Add the onions and garlic to soften. Add the mushrooms once the onions have softened. Spiralise the courgettes into a bowl. The reason we put paper towel in is to make sure that they don't go sloppy when being cooked, because it takes away some of the moisture. Add a good tablespoon of tomato puree. Stir it in. Before adding the chopped tomatoes. As that simmers, put a pan on for the pasta. Cut the Quorn sausages in half to add to the sauce to make sure they're bite-sized for little mouths. Add the sausages to the sauce, stir them round so that they warm through. Add the lid to the pan to keep the heat in. Add the courgette to the pan, season and saute until tender. At the same time, add the pasta to the pan. Mix the courgette into the pasta. And then it's time to plate up.